Hey, hey, what's up? What's up? Oh, I'm so excited to be here today. I've got this. I just had to come and share this with you. I'm just a hot mess. I got to get this hair cut. It is just too long. But you know what? I was just appalled at what I saw on a show last night that talked about the dangers of chemicals in household cleaning products, laundry products, dish soap, all of those things. I thought, oh, I am so happy that I have found what I found. Anyway, let me just back up a little bit. This is Sherial coming to you live from Las Vegas. And this is, I think, episode 151. I'll put that in there. But I wanted to chat with you a minute about chemicals in your house. Have you ever, did you see that news broadcast about it? Have you ever had any fear of that? Well, when I tell you this stuff, you might really have a lot of fear. I don't know, but I'm going to share this out a little bit and share it out with a few of my friends around the country, and because this is such a big, important thing. It's such a big, important topic because, people are dying every day from cancer from chemicals. A lot of it is from chemicals. The story about the man that had stomach cancer from Roundup in the wheat, in the Quaker oats. Well, did you know that when you get into bed at night, you crawl into those lovely sheets. Well, when you do that and you've washed your clothes, your bedding with Tide or all those different, things at the grocery store, well, those chemicals are going into your skin within 10 seconds. And when they're in your skin, they're in your bloodstream within 10 seconds. So I am so happy that I have come across some non-chemical products. And just even the smell. Oh, it smells so delicious. Lavender and, it's just this little pod that one little pod goes into the washer full of clothes. Doesn't matter if it's Rudy's clothes where he's been at the Harley shop working on the Harleys. The grease just comes right out. Doesn't matter if it's the wonderful duvet cover and the sheets. Just doesn't matter what it is. Just comes right clean. And there's no chemicals. So that is such a gift to me. And then I even have these dishwasher pods as well. So this washes your dishes. That comes because the chemicals that are in Cascade, for example, it's full of chemicals. And it's so dangerous because then we're eating off of those dishes and it's going into our system. So think about, if you just think about the fact that the all of the wheat is sprayed with Roundup and weed kill. And then that goes in to the wheat and then the wheat is made into flour and the flour goes into all of the food that we eat. Like, it's really hard to find good, clean eating, and it's hard to find good, clean, non-chemical products. But I am just so blessed that I have found that. And so I just wanted to share that with you today because I knew that if you had seen that documentary and you didn't know where to get good, clean, non-chemical products, by the way, even the container here that this is made in, there's no chemicals in the container either. So this company is really about living clean and sharing with the world to have clean products, clean nutritional products, as well as clean products, non-chemical for your household, like for cleaning. Another thing that before I go here, I used to years ago. This will age me a bit, but it's okay. I'm ancient anyway. So I used to use sudsy ammonia to clean my kitchen floor with because of wax buildup, back before we had the wonderful floors that we have today. Well, that was so dangerous because that stuff gets into your lungs. Well, now there's the 409 cleaner, and they talked about that on the show as well. Horribly dangerous, as well as, you know, the dish soaps that little babies get into because they're pretty and they're blue and they're yellow and they're green, and they get into it, looks like something to eat, and they eat it. The mom has to call poison control right away. There's so many chemicals in everything. I mean, did you also know that on toothpaste, even kids' bubblegum toothpaste, it says if they swallowed any, call poison control. Yeah. It is. That's the way it is. So it's up to us to take responsibility and figure out how we're going to get rid of all that, because we want to live long and we want to live healthy, and we can't live healthy and we can't live long if we have chemicals in our life. So I just wanted to share that with you. And yes, I am going to be doing a live with a completely different topic down somewhere in my backyard of the beautiful Las Vegas Strip today. So I'll see you guys there. Stay tuned for more stuff coming. Love you. Bye-bye.